Of us there is no one who can't become better than good and better than best own response understand. Learn to handle tough and difficult situations. You can't change the scene right which many people are happy for him. You cannot change it at all. But you can do one thing, and that is to change yourself. This is how you can change yourself so that you are fit according to that condition. You can become next strong, develop depth, inspiration, dedication, consistency, and patience in yourself. There is no one here who cannot be strong. This next time we meet, it should not be that I do not recognize you because your language is your style. Personality must have become more strong. Tell me one thing that for the first time I gave my public speech. I was feeling very scared and was very nervous. The secret of every success is that I was an administrator that I have to do this at any cost, and then today because of being persistent, I kept on improving the divide and I'm doing it. I only hope that you will start like this and become specially better. You bring people not to justice. Don't develop the instruments and keep going until you reach your name. Learn today advantage from spring. Meaning of spring big opportunity. Read the book. Revisit your notes through types of study. Now you must be seeing the urgency in my words. Know why are they because springs do not stay for long. Morris Curry, learn to protect your value, her and protect yourself from your enemies. Summertime is a very unique time. If it brings positive things, then it also brings changes. There will be many people who want negative changes in your good future. I have always stayed away from such people who would like to destroy me with their negative hands. Your enemies are not only outside, it's inside you too. Number 1, indecision. Not all decision will be correct. Your bad decision will give you experience. You can take gym decisions quickly. Take them quickly, which takes time. Give them some time, but not so much that till you decide by then it's too late. So listen to this answer, and unless you change your ways you will find yourself in the same situation. Number 2, doubt. Genius to genius man must come to this doubt stage. Be patient with yourself. Have some courage and believe in yourself. Never doubt your future and possibilities. And most importantly, do doubt yourself. For many people, ambition is a kind of mystery. According to the dictionary, ambition is a distant power, or the power to get fame. But ultimately, what does it mean? See, all viewers have such remarkable power with which they can achieve anything in life. But there is a big difference in wishes and desires. Especially your becoming a desire is very important if you are positive in your life. If you want changes, discipline plays the most important role in it. Always remember to ambition is nothing but disciplined desire. For example, if you have a meeting tomorrow, then you will have to do all the preparations today itself. If you want to give the best education to your kid tomorrow, then you will have to start saving from today itself. Ambition minute by minute, day by day, is your mentality. If you want to see your dreams come true, then you will have to work hard every moment if you want to be successful. If life was so easy, then every person in the world would be successful today. Success is that thing which you then attract you when you start becoming a man, which you would have ever thought about. It's like you are touching a butterfly. You can't catch a butterfly, you can attract it. It's like success. The more you run after it, the more you will catch it. The more you try, the more she will run away from you. Attract her. Learn how to attract success. An attractive person knows how to do this. With personality development, when you are doing everything you can possibly do, you will be able to achieve your own expectations. And ultimately you welcome successful success itself is a motivation. Psychologists, this is called positive reinforcement. Along with this, we train our dogs, that is, when someone does a good thing, we give them a reward. There are two benefits of this positive reinforcement. First is that it develops good habits. Second is that positive reinforcement works as fuel for you. It makes you want to achieve more. You must have heard that the muscle never pulls. It never grows. This is the biggest challenge before all of us. What we want to become and do, how to achieve it. Listen to his answer too. You can have a mode because you can be Moa, and unless you change your ways, you will find yourself in that limit which is you.